Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video, just like every single day, I am going to give you guys an update on the portfolio. I'm very excited today. The portfolio did underperform today, but I am still very excited because of one reason, and I'm going to show that to you guys in just a second. So as you guys can see, the portfolio is at $152,000, but that is not how we began today. We had a massive rally all the way up to almost $156,000 right here at this moment, where we were up around $5,000. Exciting news, but then again, the excitement trickled off, and it trickled off all the way to $152,000. Now, as you guys can see, I have $17,000 of buying power. I wasn't really active in the market today, and in my live from earlier, from this morning, from the pre-market, I told you guys that I'm not really excited. I ended up buying Tesla, and I believe I ended up buying a couple other stocks and quickly got out of them. And if you guys are members and if you guys are subscribers to the channel, I did alert all of you when I made those purchases. I'm also going to start giving you guys alerts on when I exit out of positions very soon. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys haven't joined, click that join button. It's right next to the subscribe button. You guys will get all the alerts as they happen. Now, of course, as you all know, my portfolio has been suffering for most of April and now May, because I did start this challenge at when the market was at an all-time high. This portfolio, of course, I'm going to go back just a little bit to show you guys where this portfolio was back then. And as you guys can see, we were almost at $200,000, and right now we are currently sitting at $152,000. I think a few days ago we did touch $160,000 briefly, but then Janet Yellen opened her mouth and things went south pretty quickly after that. Now that's okay. Look, we expect volatility, especially because this portfolio does have crypto built into it. There's going to be a little bit of volatility. Oh, and it does have options into it as well. So there's going to be a little bit of volatility, but we do have some good news on that front. With that being said, let me quickly go over my options. So GSAH, I am down. Clove, I am down. Apple, significantly down today. I'm taking a $10,000 loss on Apple as of today, just because of its underperformance over the past few days. This was a $4,700 loss for me just last week, but because of Apple's massive underperformance, and not underperformance because of their earnings actually did fairly well. The underperformance just came from the sell-off after the earnings. So as soon as that stock hit, people started selling it off. Institutions started selling it off, and now the stock is, in my opinion, personally being sold at a discount, but I am taking a beating for that at $128,000. I think it's not even $130,000, $130 share. Let's actually take a look at Apple really quickly while we're here, just to make sure that I am saying things correct. Yeah, so see, exactly. So it did hit 130 today. That is, I think, where I sold Apple. I'm not sure, but then trickled back down to $127. $127. I don't know what's up with me adding thousands to everything. I think it's just because I am used to looking at my entire portfolio over here. Anyways, so that is what is going on with Apple. Fubu is down, Neo is down as well. PLTR is down. I did not expect PLTR $50 January 2021 calls to be down, but they are. PLTR is taking a beating. I do think that PLTR is being sold at a discount currently. However, we are getting signs, telltale signs, that inflation is right around the corner. And my portfolio is saying exactly that. Look at oil. ExxonMobil, we were losing $2,700 on these calls. And today, as of today, we are in the green. We have 21 calls, which means we are officially going to start making money in ExxonMobil. And you guys know, when commodities go up, when oil goes up, this is a telltale sign that something is around the corner. Now, of course, the rest of the portfolio is aggressive in tech, but ExxonMobil, as of today, is green. Now, I don't know if it's going to hold this position or not. It may or may not. But what this is telling us, that by January of 2021, we are going to be making significant amounts of profits through these options, which is good news, We may be able to get to that $200,000 a little quicker. Well, that and hopefully the crypto that is going to help us get there. Okay, now that we're out of the options, let's quickly go over the stock. So ARK, all my long-term ARK positions are in fact losing money. I am quite unfortunate because when it came to this, I made these investments recently when the market was coming back up, or what we thought was coming back up. There was a little more volume back into growth stocks. ARK was starting to overperform. I was actually making, between all my ETFs, roughly around $3,000 or $4,000 in profit. Well, maybe not 3 or 4,000, but 3,000 for sure in profit in all of my ARK ETFs. And right now, that 3,000 profit has probably turned into a $3,000 loss if I were to add all of these numbers. Well, 2,000 and change in loss, just based off what I can tell. PLTR also down significantly. Now, PLTR is a long-term holding for me, and as you guys can see, I have 850 shares of PLTR. Now, we are waiting for these stocks to come back alive, and I think the only way that's going to happen is we are going to need to see a rotation. Now, obviously, May is a very critical month in the stock market. It has historically underperformed. We have a lot of people, a lot of retail investors now investing in the market, and that is helping us a little bit, but I think we are still going to see that underperformance in May, which is okay, We understand that May is a significant underperforming month, and so is October, and we are okay with looking at our portfolio go down temporarily as long as it comes back up. BNGO and NDM also down for the day, Clove down for the day. I'm going to quickly scroll down because all of these are basically stocks that are closing in the red or are in the red for my portfolio. I just quickly want to go over my day trades for today to show you guys what positions I have open. Okay, so these are my day trades for today, and this is what my day trades are looking like. So MBIO, I am down, wow, almost 7%. That's quite a lot. GSAH, I am down as well. Tesla, I am down 1.39%. MU, I am up. Not a big deal because, I mean, I'm down on almost 6 of my 7 positions. AMD, I am down as well. Disney down, MSOS down. Silver picking back up, but I'm still down. Now, as you guys can see, if you guys look here, what you're gonna notice is that I have very limited stocks that I am trading with, right? So I'm very careful on how I'm trading and how I'm actually spending my money in the market. I still want to hoard cash. I still want to get out of positions profitable and make some money in the portfolio, right? So, and for that reason, I'm only trading a little bit because I am now in preservation mode. I don't feel like now is the time to go all in. We're not seeing the volume. We have a historically weak month ahead of us, and we are going to continue maybe to see a downward trend. A lot of people are signaling that this could be the beginning of what I would like to call a minor correction, right? And that's something that we just have to think about and keep some money in place so that if that were to happen, we are going to continue to buy the dip. Okay, now that the day trades are out of the way, let's quickly go over the crypto. Doge is up. We're up about 150%. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum is up as well. I think we found a new support, for Ethereum, and I think that support is $3,200 because it seems to be holding it fairly well. There is word that there's going to be some interesting news coming out on Ethereum very soon, and so we are holding Ethereum for that. If that news is true, Ethereum could possibly go up much more than this soon. Now, price target for end of the year for me personally is about $6,000. For a lot of people out there, I know is $10,000. Some people have gone as much as saying $20,000. For me personally, I think conservative price target for Ethereum is double of where it's at right now, and I think that is $6,000, and that is, I think, where Ethereum is going to be by the end of the year, which is still good. We enjoy that. We like that. It's going to help the portfolio grow, which is what we are trying to do over here, right? We're trying to grow this portfolio together, and I am showing you guys all my positions every single day. So yeah, guys, just like that. That is my portfolio. This is what we did today. My name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.